Welcome to the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Meadowbrook Prep from St. Andrew up against St. Hugh's Prep, also from St. Andrew. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. And we had the coin toss earlier. St. Hugh's won, but decided to have Meadowbrook go first. So we'll start off section 1, where teams are asked questions alternatively, and they will have 10 seconds in which to answer. They will earn 1 point for each correct answer. We start off with Bible knowledge, and Meadowbrook, you're up first. Which traveling companion of Paul was imprisoned with him before they were freed by an earthquake at midnight?
Silas.
Correct. St. Hugh's, Eunice was a relative of which New Testament leader to whom Paul wrote 2 epistles?
Mark.
Incorrect. It's Timothy. Science, Meadowbrook, what is the change of the physical state of matter from gas to liquid called?
Condensation.
Correct. St. Hugh's, what is defined as the process of a liquid changing to gas?
Evaporation.
Correct. International affairs for you, Meadowbrook, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Justin Trudeau.
Canadian Prime Minister, that's correct. St. Hugh's, your turn to look at the monitor and identify this person.
Vladimir Putin.
President of Russia, correct. English language, Meadowbrook, identify the adjective in this sentence. The hiker had a breathtaking view when he reached the top of the mountain.
Breathtaking.
Correct. St. Hugh's, identify the adjective in this sentence. The cold-blooded murderer was sentenced to life in prison.
Cold-blooded.
Correct. Television, Meadowbrook, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Halle Berry.
Incorrect, it's Zoe Kravitz. And St. Hugh's, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Tanisha Province.
Incorrect, it's Stacey Dash. We move on to general knowledge. Meadowbrook, which Caribbean country's national flag consists of 2 blue outer bands separated by a golden middle band and a black trident head in the center?
Barbados.
Correct. St. Hugh's, what are the colors of the national flag of Trinidad and Tobago?
Red, black, and white.
That's correct. Social studies for Meadowbrook, what is the altitude of the Blue Mountain Peak in Jamaica in meters?
2,256 meters.
Correct. St. Hugh's, which specific zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, extending from 23.5 degrees north to 66.5 degrees north?
Frigid.
Incorrect, it's the North Temperate Zone. Music, Meadowbrook, who recorded the single Girl on Fire?
Katy Perry.
Incorrect, it's Alicia Keys. St. Hugh's, who recorded the single If I Were a Boy?
Beyonce.
Correct. Mathematics, Meadowbrook, what number when added to 199 is equal to 458? The question passes to St. Hugh's. Would you like to try?
259.
That's correct. And still with you, St. Hugh's, what number, when added to 399, is equal to 825?
426.
Correct. Sports, this is a visual, Meadowbrook. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Fidel Edwards.
Incorrect, it's Evan Lewis. And St. Hugh's, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Darren Sammy.
Incorrect, it's Sheldon Cottrell. And the bell ends section 1 with Meadowbrook on 6 and St. Hugh's on 7. So we go for a break, but before we do go, please listen out for the friendly tip from NCB Insurance. Get your day off to a healthy start by eating a healthy breakfast. This will kickstart the body and make it easier to maintain lasting energy throughout the school day. When we return, it will be the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.